There are so many skin cancers. There is one skin cancer for every 5 cancers that are diagnosed. So eventually, there's going to be multiple individuals diagnosed with skin cancer. We anticipate more than 5 million people diagnosed with skin cancer every year in the United States, and it's only increasing in rate. The skin cancer is primarily associated with UV exposure. So in fact, the association between sun rays or ultraviolet exposure is stronger with skin cancer than smoking is related to lung cancer. There are 2 cities in Arizona that are within the top 5 rating with UV index around the world. Skin cancer is one of the most common type of cancers. We separate them in 2 different types, which is important for the community to know about, is non-melanoma skin cancer and melanoma skin cancer. Within non-melanoma skin cancer, the most common type is basal cell carcinomas, and the second one is squamous cell carcinomas. They come from a completely different cell type than melanoma. Melanoma come from melanocytes, and squamous cell and basal cell from keratinocytes. So most individuals will be affected with non-melanoma skin cancers. We are looking at over 4.7 million individuals diagnosed in the US with non-melanoma skin cancers, while we have closer to 100,000 individuals diagnosed with melanoma every year in the US. And of course, the higher the index of UV radiation, the higher is the likelihood of causing skin damage and developing skin cancer over time. It's important also to understand the type of UV exposure that you have. You can have significant sunburn or acute sunburn with some blisterings, and those tend to be more associated with the development of melanoma. So preventing skin cancer, it should be in the mindset of everyone living in Arizona. We call it at the Skin Cancer Institute living in harmony with the sun, because we're here in Arizona for a reason. We like to go out there, we enjoy our outdoors, but there is a way to do it that is the smart way to do it. What we propose and we advocate for is to understand how to expose yourself. You can go early in the morning, you can go late afternoon when sun rays are not as intense. If you're going to be out there, learn how to protect. We always advise for sunscreen, cover up. We now have some fantastic type of sun protective clothing. It didn't exist 10, 15 years ago with the same variety that we have today, wearing your hat. So this is all incredibly important to be able to enjoy the outdoors while living in our wonderful Arizona. Because if you can really protect individuals early on in their life, and they know how to become aware of the harm of UV radiation, we can really make a big difference.